Are you in the process of updating your will and/or your trust agreement? Or have you recently lost a friend or a family member due to death? In either case, accounting services for trusts and estates are more challenging than regular tax preparation work with which most people are accustomed. When someone passes away, there is at least one final tax return that must be prepared for the IRS and the state. If you are in the process of selecting someone to do this for you, please take this matter seriously, as there are many financial details that must be taken care of for the decedent and the family. The formal name assigned to this function on behalf of the estate is executor. In fact, this task is so important, final disposition of assets can be made only after all income, final debts, and taxes have been accounted for and paid. The executor must also represent the estate in probate court per the instructions of the decedent's last will and testament. If you die without a will in place, then you will be considered intestate. Speaking on behalf of any attorney in practice today, our advice is to please make sure you have a will. At Killingsworth Spencer in Roswell, we can handle estate work, including IRS Form 706. Most estates will not require that Form 706 be filed, as this is usually only required when the decedent's total estate has a value greater than $5.5 million. This form must be filed and all remaining estate taxes paid within 9 months of the date of death. Otherwise, most final returns are due by April 15th following the year of death, unless the executor files for an automatic extension until October 15th. You need to keep in mind that this is not a good idea to finalize payment to those persons or charities named in the will or the trust agreement until the taxes have been paid and the court signs off that everything is in order. If not, the executor may be held financially accountable to the government agencies or to family members. Your accounting professional cannot work in a vacuum with a matter as important as this, so we rely heavily on the expertise of professionals like your financial advisor and attorney. We all must work in concert to help make sure all these financial details are taken care of for your executor and the family. At Killingsworth Spencer, we have helped hundreds of families over the years settle estates for the final disposition of assets for our clients. We know this task can seem daunting, but we will speak to you in plain English as to how the process works. When everyone works in unison with the needs of the family first and foremost, the process moves along quickly so that the family can grieve and then carry on with life. For more information, please feel free to give Killingsworth Spencer a call at 770-552-8286.